Lab activity. Displacement reaction of copper sulfate solution and iron nails. What is displacement reaction? Definition. A displacement reaction is a type of reaction where parts of one reactant is replaced by another reactant. For example, AB plus C implies AC plus B. Another example is iron plus copper sulfate implies iron sulfate plus copper. Now, in this video, we will check what happens when an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution. To perform this lab activity, materials required are 2 iron nails, 2 test tubes, 2 stands with clamps, piece of thread, copper sulfate solution. Procedure. Take 2 iron nails and clean them by rubbing with sandpaper. Take 2 test tubes and mark them as A and B. Take 2 stands with clamps. Now, fix these test tubes A and B to each stand. Take some amount of copper sulfate solution into beaker and pour 100 ml of copper sulfate solution in each test tube. Tie the thread to one nail and dip it into the test tube A. Keep other iron nail aside for comparison after the reaction. Keep the test tube A with dipped iron nail undisturbed for 20 minutes. Now, take out the iron nail from copper sulfate solution filled test tube A and place in a watch glass. Compare the 2 nails in the watch glass. Place the test tubes A and B side by side. Compare the color of iron nails and the solution in the test tubes. The iron nail placed in the watch glass is showing the greenish color of iron, whereas the iron nail dipped in the copper solution is showing the brown coating. The color of the copper sulfate solution in which iron nail was dipped changes from blue to green, and the color of the copper sulfate solution in test tube B is same. The change of color from blue to green of the solution in which the iron nail was dipped indicates the chemical changes in which copper has been displaced by iron from the copper sulfate solution. The chemical reaction in this activity is: iron is more reactive than copper. So it displays copper from copper sulfate. This is the example of displacement reaction.